Good morning, this is Neva with Superior Real Estate and Land Group. Stop sign video. A lot of storms in the area last night. I don't think Osage County got anything severe. I know Central Kansas did. Ottawa, I think, had outages. Some parts of Topeka maybe were hit. Anyways, I hope everyone made it safely through the night and are going to enjoy it's a pretty day, but it's going to be terrible muggy. Anyways, remember, I always say, what in the real estate world can I do for you today or any day? Give us a call, 785-670-6506, Superior Real Estate and Land Group. This is Neva. Bye.